Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. If you're like me and you want to be able to watch movies anytime, anywhere from your computer, but you don't have a CD, DVD drive built into it, you need to get yourself one of these. The ROOFULL external hard drive. It's a ODD device, which I am not tech savvy, but I know that it plays DVDs, Blu-rays, and CDs for me and easily plugs into my MacBook laptop. And I don't have to do much. I just plug it in, put my DVD in, and it plays automatically for me. I have enjoyed this so much when I can't get to a TV and a DVD player while I'm traveling, or I was sick in bed and I just didn't want to get out of bed and I wanted to be able to watch my good old DVDs from my computer in my bed. This was perfect. I highly recommend for anyone who does not have a built-in DVD CD disk drive into their computer to get this ROOFULL external drive, but that's just my point of view.